Hey everybody, Jeffrey Powers here from Geekazine over at geekazine.com. Think magazine, put in a geek. You've got Geekazine, check it out. We've got a lot of great stuff. Adi just put up a post about Battlefield 3, and then of course I just got done with all that video from New York City and TechCrunch Disrupt. Check out all the cool startups that you'll find you might be talking about in the future, and companies like Facebook and Google might be buying for millions of dollars as we go. But anyway, today I'm going to show you something, and that is to elongate your videos and give them even more life to your evergreen content. Now, in YouTube, you have, at any type of podcast or anything, you have expirable content and evergreen. Expirable means you got to get it out there as soon as possible. It's got news in it. Tomorrow, it's not going to be worth a dime. So the first 48 hours is the most important for that expirable content. Evergreen content is something that will live on forever. Somebody might check on it for years. Like, for instance, all this TechCrunch Disrupt video, like this one, Notable organizes email for collaboration. Let's say they got bought out by Facebook. Next year, this video could go from the 35 views that it sees to 35,000 views if somebody links it right. And the idea is to put everything into your video so they know who you are, what you do, and subscribe to your channel. And that's what we need, is more subscription to the channel. So this is the most important thing, and one of the things that you want to check on your analytics is once you see the videos that are really doing well, you want to go in there and you want to make sure that they have everything that you need, from annotations to links to everything. And I'm going to show you improving the show notes on that can actually bring in more people. And I'm going to do it. I'm going to go over to my analytics here. And we're not going to worry about playlists or views. We're just going to go right down here to the list. One of my top viewed videos is the Chromecast versus Apple TV versus Roku Throwdown. Now, I've probably already made some changes to that, but we're going to go over there and we're going to check it out. And we're going to bring it up. And then we're going to hit the edit button. And, of course, we heard the ad there. Now, as you can see, I've got a lot of content in my post here. Now, here's basically it. I've got a description. I've got a pretty good description, at least 1 to 2 paragraphs in here. I'm gonna switch over here so you can see. I've got a pretty good description in here. We had some problems with the audio, so I wanted to let people know, hey, there's an audio issue, and of course, there's a new version which you can check out here, which I even put an annotation in right there so they can go over to the new video. Description. Now, I have, as you can see, I have the old set of links here. I do have get a Roku, get an Apple TV, get a Chromecast, so they can easily get it and use my Amazon affiliate link, so I get credit for it. But as you can see, I had a pretty low end on the links back to me. I've changed that since then, and I've added a whole bunch of new links, and that's what this page is. As you can see, we have, and I think I can zoom in on that a little bit more. We have the ability to subscribe, the website of geekazine.com, my blip channel at tvazine.com, where all the content actually mirrors there. My social marks of Twitter, Facebook, and my 2 Google pages. Google Plus, I should actually put in one more here. We're going to do that right now, because I want people to go to Jeffrey Powers. That's one of my plus pages. And, of course, Geekazine is the next plus page. iPad 365 is the third one. My LinkedIn page. And, I guess I did have that down there. Never mind. I'm brain dead. But anyway, Geekazine, I can also do, if I wanted to, I could copy that and I could do a second Twitter of iPad 365. Because I do the show iPad 365 into my videos here. So I have all the subscribe options, including the first one right on top, subscribe, and that goes straight to the YouTube channel and subscribes the user. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take all of this content, I'm going to copy it, I'm going to go down here, I'm going to remove this part, and I'm just going to put it in. And now you have a list of social links that people can get to you, to your Facebook page, to your Twitter page, to your Google Plus page, and go from there. I'll probably beef up this text right here a little bit more just to get more people interested. And then, of course, the tags. I got a ton of tags in here. It's even asking me to add more tags, in which I'll do that. Um, there we go. I added like 3 more tags to it. And of course, over on monetization, I've got the full monetization on it, overlay and video ads, true in-view stream ads, and show post-roll ads. I could do a mid-roll ad, but that's sometimes people stop watching at that point. I think this is more than enough to monetize that. But basic info, I've got everything here and all my links so you can go to where you need to go to get what you need. And I'm going to hit save change there. Now I've added more to my content, so it's more searchable. So it's got more options, including the option for somebody to turn around and subscribe to my channel. Simple link that goes there, and you'll be surprised how many people click on that link to subscribe to the channel. Now, what I did was I used a Bitly link, and in that way I can put it onto my regular page. I can put it onto the other pages like Blip or Daily Motion or anything where my videos are lie, so people can go there, they click to subscribe, and they subscribe to the YouTube channel, and go from there. So we can do that again. Let's go back to the analytics, and we're going to go, this time we are going to go to the next one. Ford unveils the Ford Atlas pickup truck. I did this like a year and a half, 2 years ago or something like that, and it's still got some great numbers on it. So I want to be able to make sure that it's completely beefed up and people are subscribing. And I'm going to look at the show notes really quick. And as you can see, there is almost nothing in the show notes. So I'm going to go back up here, and I'm going to hit the edit, info and settings, and I'm going to go back in here. And then I'm going to take out, I have my regular website and my Twitter handle. So I did have some information here, but I'm going to go back in. I'm going to take all these social marks. I'm just going to copy, and then I'm going to go down and paste it. Spend a couple hours and get that all updated. Even update the information here so people can see more. I can put in pickup truck. I can put in, they had a truck for a suggested tag, and we'll go from there. Let's see. We got 4x4 we could put in there. 4-wheel drive we put in there. And of course, we don't want to put in like Mercedes, or we don't want to put in GMC. This was about a Ford reveal. I think that putting those in, some people do put them in, but the reality is it's a Ford. It's not a Mercedes. It's not a GMC. So, and I don't want to mislead many the people on what I'm posting here. Now, in this case, I actually did have mid-roll ads on here, and it does pretty well because of the content and how many people watch it. It gets an older one, so I'm thinking maybe take out that mid-roll ad. And then I'm just going to hit the save change. And now it's got all this new content. We're going to go back to the main page here, and it's going to start loading it up. And we're just going to go like that. We're going to hit the show more. Look at that. Look at all that information that people can go to. They can subscribe to my channel. They can go to my website. They can go to the Blip version and see all the videos there. They can go to my Twitter handles. They can go to my Facebook page. They can go to my Google Plus pages, and LinkedIn, and they can subscribe, and they can be in the know, and go from there. So this will help my videos from here on end. And I publish videos almost every single day. I just did a video on Wirecast and using Wirecast, multi-part series. Remove copyright audio, clean up your YouTube channel. This is a brand new feature of YouTube, removing copyright audio content from your YouTube videos. You should check that out. And of course, all the video from TechCrunch Disrupt, which is in its own playlist, and go from there. So that's basically it. That's beefing up your older videos so they still have a run, so they still come in, and if you make $20-$30 from that video, next month you might still make $20-$30 or even more, because it's got a little bit more life to it, because you've added stuff to your content and you give more people opportunity to subscribe. I'm going to go over to my main page here. I've got 3,955 subscribers. You think that's pretty low, but I do a lot of tech stuff, and it's a slow grow. And but yesterday this was actually 3,936 subscribers. So I must be doing something that brings it up slowly but surely. So check it all out. Of course, geekazine.com, youtube.com/geekazine. Go ahead and subscribe because, I could always use extra subscribes. So thanks a lot for watching. This is if you need to know more, just check out my YouTube channel, check out geekazine.com, and I'll keep posting and go from there. So thanks a lot, you guys. Geek out and take care.